So out here cutting wood for the homestead, because that's the mass majority of what we use for heat during the winter. And I decided to start looking around. Look what I found. And I keep finding them. I'm so excited because I wasn't expecting these today. It's a good day. And now that I found 4, I am out looking more. And look, she's a little too far gone and grody. So we'll put her back into the earth and let her grow some more spores. See what else we can find. It's also too far gone. That one might have been gross, but look, there's that one. Oh, it's got some mold growing in it. But then there's this one. Whoop. That's a good one. Not a bad little haul for... Well, time to get back at it.